Chapter 2: Why choose Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP? Overview of Amazon KDP. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP is a fast, easy, and free way for authors and publishers to keep control and publish their books worldwide on the Kindle and Kindle reading apps. It allows you to self-publish your books and make them available on Kindle stores around the world. You can use KDP's self-publishing tools to create and manage your Kindle ebook, paperback, and hardcover books. Benefits of using Amazon KDP for self-publishing. There are several benefits to using Amazon KDP for self-publishing. Global reach. Amazon KDP allows you to reach readers worldwide. Your book can be available for purchase on all Amazon websites, reaching millions of readers. Royalties. You can earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in most countries. Control. You have control over your rights and set your own list prices. You can make changes to your books at any time. Publishing speed. Books self-published through KDP can appear on Amazon within 72 hours. Non-exclusivity. You can distribute your book in any format, not just the Kindle format, and on any platform. KDP Select. This is an optional program that gives KDP authors the opportunity to reach more readers and earn more money. It includes promotional opportunities like Kindle Countdown deals and free ebook promotion. Success stories and case studies. Many authors have found success through self-publishing with Amazon KDP. One such example is our company, Blaze Goldburst. We have helped thousands of authors in self-publishing their books by teaching the art of self-publishing on Amazon. We have empowered authors to take control of their publishing journey, providing them with the tools and knowledge to successfully publish their own books. Through our comprehensive courses and hands-on guidance, we have enabled authors to navigate the self-publishing process with confidence. Our success stories include first-time authors who have gone on to become bestsellers, as well as experienced authors who have found a new level of success and freedom through self-publishing. In the next chapter, we will explore the different types of books you can publish on Amazon, including ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcovers. Stay tuned. Ready to master Amazon KDP and dominate the book industry. Get personalized one-on-one coaching and become an expert with Blaze Goldburst. Visit blazegoldburst.com or check the links in the description to start your journey. Looking to self-publish your book? Let Blaze Goldburst handle everything from ebook to paperback and hardcover formats, complete with a best-selling cover. Contact us now through the details in the description.